So till now we have covered HTML, CSS and JavaScript in great depth. From this video onwards, let us start focusing on the server-side part of a website, which is also called as backend development. In this video, let us start with a server-side technology called as Node.js. So head over to nodejs.org. So right here you can see it says Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So we often use Node.js to build microservices, servers, and application programming interfaces, which we'll discuss in a separate video. So the front-end applications that you and I build are what the user sees and interacts with. Now these applications need to talk to some services sitting on the server or in the cloud to store data, or maybe to send some notifications or to kick off workflows and so on. Node.js is used to build applications that are highly scalable, data intensive, and works in real time to power our front-end applications. Now it is best used to make real-time applications, online games, chat rooms, or anything where the user would like to maintain a persistent connection from the browser back to a server. Although you can create such type of applications using other server-side technologies as well. But with Node.js, creating such an application is highly resource efficient from the system standpoint. So we will discuss about the applications on Node.js in a separate video, so no worries for now. Another benefit of using Node.js is that our development stack remains consistent and we use the same language, that is JavaScript, both on the front end and the back end of the application. So this leads to a cleaner and more consistent code base. So go ahead and install Node.js onto your system. I've already installed Node onto my system, so just click on this green button and install the LTS version onto your system. So once you are done with the installation, you can head over to the terminal and run the command node-v to check whether the installation succeeded or not. So for me it is giving the version 12.18.0. but for you it will give the version 14.16.0, right? So now we are done with the installation and the setup. Let us start writing our first program using Node.js. Now it is going to be a JavaScript program, so it would be easy to learn it quickly because we all by now are familiar with JavaScript. If you haven't checked out my JavaScript series, the link for the same can be found down below in the description section of this video. So right here you can see we are having a Node.js folder. Inside it, let us create a new folder using the terminal. So first, let me change my directory to Node.js. And now let us make use of the mkdir command to generate a new directory, and let us name it as node-demos. So now you can see our directory is successfully created. So node-demos. And now let us quickly change our directory to node-demos. And inside node-demos, let us create a new file and name it as node-1.js. So in here, let us write a simple console.log that we are already familiar with. So console.log, and let us say hello Node.js. Let me zoom this up. So now in order to run our file, head over to the terminal and make sure that you are in the correct directory, which is node-demos, and in there let us run the command node-1.js. Press enter, and you can see this logs hello node.js in the terminal. Now let us write some JavaScript here and try running that with Node. So let us define a simple multiplication function that takes in two numbers and gives us the result of multiplication of those two numbers. So function multiply, and this takes in two numbers, number 1 and number 2, and it returns a product of these two numbers. So number 1 times number 2, like this. And down here let us invoke the function and log its result to the console. So console.log multiply and pass on two numbers 3 and 4. So let us run our file using the node command. So node-1.js, press enter, and this gives us 12. So this was all I wanted to cover in the introductory video of Node.js. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the very next one.